Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to fix zoom level in Excel. So let's get started. Start by opening Microsoft Excel. You can fix the zoom level for any Excel workbook. In the bottom right corner of the Excel window, you will find a zoom slider. It's the horizontal slider with a zoom percentage next to it. To adjust the zoom level, click on the slider and drag it left or right. As you move it, the zoom percentage will change, allowing you to zoom in or out. If you want to fix a specific zoom level, you can click on the zoom percentage box and type in the desired percentage. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.